On the spot kapaan po, boss.
Yes, oo.
Kahit ako, okay ko lang ito kakanta.
On the spot ka pa sa dalawang request nila, bossing. Eh,
Hello
syempre
sa
yan,
mga
hello
bate.
po.
Pasok po
lang
kayo.
po.
Yeah.
Woo! Alright, this is your request a song.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm alone with you,
Thank you so much.
you make me feel like I'm at home again. Whenever I'm alone with you, you make me feel like I'm home again.
Oh, yeah. Galing talaga ng mga kasama ko.
Oh, galing on the spot, ha? Hello po.
Whenever I'm alone with you, you make me feel like I'm young again. Whenever I'm alone with you, you make me feel like I'm fun again. However far, however long I stay, I will love always love. Whatever words I say, I will always love you.
Once again, another requested song. Thank you so much for the compliment.
Whenever I'm alone with you,
Grabe tuwa sila, bossing, oh.
you make me feel like I'm free again. Oh, whenever I'm with you, you make me feel like I am clean again. And the part I always love you. However long I stay, I will always love you. Whatever words I say, I will always love you. I will always love you.
It's a regular rhythm section.
Whenever I'm alone with you, oh, you make me feel like I am free again. Whenever I'm alone with you, yeah, you make me feel like I am free again.
Boss, yun na kaya. Maraming salamat
Thank you so much. Grabe. On the spot. On the spot kapaan.
Nawintang ako sa bridge. Asa ko. Anyway, maraming salamat po sa blessings. Thank you, boss.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, boss.